Good morning, students. You are most welcome in my sociology class. This is Rajesh Kumar sir. Student, today I will cover class A subject SST, means social studies या social science. The type of this subject is development of art, architecture and literature. Student, you know, in this chapter has given many and more objectives related to these topics. So let us start. The introduction. With the European led to social reform movements, this gave rise to new trend in literature, art and architectures. These trends were influenced by contemporary events. Now first topics of this given, like this printing and publishing. Students, you know, this work या this function related to literature, जैसे कि प्रिंटिंग और पब्लिशिंग की बात है. Now the Europeans introduced the printing press in India in the 16th century. In 1798, the invention of lithography by a German named Elias Sonfelder revolutionized the printing process through the world. वर्ल्ड में इन्होंने प्रिंटिंग प्रोसेस को इन्होंने खोज किया. In 1825, the lithographic process was brought to India with the establishment of the Asiatic Lithographic Press in Kolkata. Initially, the lithographic medium was used merely to make copies of maps and documents of the government offices. Now, next point like this, press. Student, you know, press या media is the fourth pillar of our democracy, but here only discuss about the press. Okay, the press emerged an active instrument of the social change in India. Student, during the classes period, explain that matters. Like I repeat again, here press. So I want to know who was the inventor of printing press machine. Now your answer is Gutenberg. But that time many newspapers were being published all over India, like this Sulabh Samachar, Amrita Bazar, Patrika, Kesari, Maratha, etc. Now next topics like literature. Students, traditionally Indian literature focused on the religions and the mythological themes, mostly in the forms of verses and songs. हालांकि पहले की जो लिटरेचर हुआ करती थी वो खास करके धार्मिक विचारधाराओं पे ज़्यादा ही कुछ फोकस किया करती थी. इतना ही नहीं, कुछ सॉन्गों के माध्यम भी उसमें बनाए जाते थे. अराउंड द 19th century there was the major change in this literature traditions, new subjects and themes because increasingly popular. The daily problems of the people were depicted by the poet in their verses. हालांकि बाद में इसमें काफी बदलाव हुआ. Now author and their works. Students, you know, the literatures of this period were influenced by the freedom struggle and the social reforms. In the terms of literature, promoted nationalism among the people and influenced the freedom struggle. The following describe some great writers in regional languages. हालांकि एक राइटर नेशनलिज्म की भावना भरने में काफ़ी अहम भूमिका निभाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स इनोवेटर। सो जो डिफरेंट हमारे ऑथर्स हैं वो अपने डिफरेंट लोकल लैंग्वेज में जो लिखा है, नाउ स्टडी अबाउट इट। लाइक मुंशी प्रेमचंद रोट इन हिंदी एंड उर्दू, भारतेंदु हरिश्चंद्र also enriched Hindi literature, मोहम्मद इकबाल उर्दू, इन बंगाल रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर, बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी, शरद चंद्र चटर्जी, सोशियो पॉलिटिकल इशूज, रोट एंड द वेरियस सोशल पॉलिटिकल इशूज। फकीर मोहम्मद सेनापति रोट इन ओरिया, सुब्रमण्यम भारती रोट इन तमिल, नर्मद रोट इन गुजराती एंड मेनी मोर, ऐसे करके हैं। नाउ पेंटिंग्स ड्यूरिंग द मुगल पीरियड, this art is very famous, but after the establishment of the British rule, European artists came to India bringing new style and techniques of the printing, paintings and the practiced the western world। हालांकि जब विदेशों से हमारे देश में कुछ लोग आने लगे तो वो डिफरेंट तरीके की पेंटिंग्स हमारे यहाँ और इंक्रीजमेंट हो गई। नाउ द इंपीरियल ट्रेडिशंस, this painting may be called the imperial traditions as unlike Indian traditions। मतलब ये लोग क्या करते थे, हमारे देश की जो पेंटिंग थी उसको ये लोग ज्यादा फोकस नहीं करते। Now these paintings were big and lifelike। One popular imperial tradition was that the realistic landscape paintings। नेक्स्ट है सिंबॉलिक द पेंटिंग्स। मतलब क्या है कि जो पेंटिंग्स में हुआ करती थी, लेकिन उसमें बाय द पिक्चर या बाय द सिंबल के द्वारा उसमें कुछ इंडिकेशन होता था। नाउ दिस द पेंटिंग्स कमिशनाइज्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश ग्लोरिफाइड द रूल एंड शोड द इंडियंस एज इंफीरियर। द पेंटिंग्स क्रिएटेड अंडर द रूलर्स ऑफ इंडियन किंगडम इनकरेज लोकल ट्रेडिशंस। हालांकि जो इसमें जो सिंबल दिए गए उसमें लोकल पेंटिंग को ज्यादा फोकस किया गया। नाउ पॉपुलर आर्ट फॉर्म इन द 19th century, British established various art school in India। They started with the 3 presidencies like Madras, Chennai and Bombay, later went to various other places। Popular art like the 19th century, the tradition of the painting was the particularly popular in the Bengal, especially in the Kalighat। National art, the late 19th century and the early 20th century witnessed the further revolutions in a painting style। हालांकि 19th century के बाद और स्टार्टिंग का 20th century पेंटिंग का एक नया मुकाम लाया। नाउ राजा रवि वर्मा क्रिएटेड द डिस्टिंक्ट स्टाइल ऑफ हिज ओन। नाउ नेक्स्ट बंगाल स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट। स्टूडेंट्स इन बंगाल Avanindranath Tagore began to new style of painting known as the Bengal school of art, which is influenced by the Indian folk art। हालांकि बंगाल में इन्होंने एक नए पेंटिंग की शुरुआत किया जो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग था। लाइक मेनी एंड मोर, नंदलाल बोस, जेमिनी राय, अमृता सरगिल, ये सभी हमारे एक्सीलेंट पेंटर हैं। नाउ हियर म्यूजिक। स्टूडेंट्स यू नो म्यूजिक इज द sources of entertainment। During this period, both Indian and Western music were popular in India। The Indian music was the 2 types like the Hindustani and the Carnatic music। Next, dance। Students, in the earlier times, dance were usually performed in the temples and the royal courts। हालांकि पहले के समय में जो डांस है वो राज दरबारों में या मंदिरों में आदि में हुआ करती थी। During its British rule reforms, the campaigned against the system of the Devadasis, under which the women dancers in the temples were exploited. Students, you know there are many types of dances like the classical dances, semi-classical dances, folk dances, etc. Now like this Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Kathak, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam are the example of the classical dances. Next, architectures. Students, architectures is the momentous. यह एक momentous है. Now the colonizations of the India had an impact on the architectural style of the building built during those times. Like this Bombay. Bombay was the presidency towns during the British period. Madras, it is the also presidency town, and Chennai. So students, in this way this chapter is finished. Okay, all the best and best of luck.